Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking Show at Home. Today I'm making a delicious, easy zucchini pie that is fluffy, savory, and packed with fresh flavor. If you watch my channel regularly, you already know zucchini dishes are one of my favorites. They're versatile, low-calorie, and rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and they always turn out amazing. This recipe is simple, budget-friendly, and perfect for lunch, dinner, or even meal prep. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. It really supports the channel and helps more people discover these recipes. As always, you can find the full list of ingredients in the description below. Let's get started. For this zucchini pie, I'm using 5 small zucchini. I partially peel them, mainly removing blemishes and rough spots, and trim off the ends. Using a coarse grater, grate all the zucchini. Be careful with your fingers as you get close to the end. That's why I leave the stems on while grating. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and gently rub it into the grated zucchini. Let it rest for about 10 minutes. This helps release the excess moisture. While the zucchini is resting, let's prepare the batter. Crack 3 eggs into a mixing bowl and whisk lightly. Add 1 cup of sour cream and mix well. Next, sift 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now is a good time to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, on bake mode. Gradually add the flour mixture into the wet ingredients, mixing in batches to avoid lumps. Finely dice about 1/2 cup of fresh parsley and stir it into the batter. Now squeeze the excess liquid from the zucchini. Really press it well. Transfer the squeezed zucchini into a large bowl and combine it with the batter. Add a cup of grated cheddar cheese and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Mix everything thoroughly. Transfer the mixture into a greased 10-inch springform pan. Smooth the top with a spoon or spatula. Sprinkle with about 2 tablespoons of extra cheddar cheese and 1/4 teaspoon of herbe de Provence for extra flavor. Bake for about 40 minutes or until golden brown. Check with a wooden toothpick. If it comes out clean and dry, the pie is ready. Remove from the oven and let it cool for about 10 minutes before removing it from the pan. Slice and serve. It's delicious on its own or topped with a spoon of sour cream. If you enjoyed this easy zucchini pie recipe, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I love hearing from you. Let me know how you would customize this pie. Maybe add garlic, feta cheese, different herbs? I'd love to hear your ideas. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.